Welcome to Hindu Quiz. Today, we are diving deep into one of the greatest epics of all time, the Mahabharata. Let's see how much you really know about this timeless tale of dharma, destiny, and war. You'll get 10 multiple choice questions. Try to answer before the timer runs out, and comment your score below. Question 1. Who was the real father of Karna? A. Pandu. B. Surya Deva. C. Indra. D. Drona. And the correct answer is B. Surya Deva. Kunti invoked the sun god before marriage and gave birth to Karna, the radiant warrior of destiny. Question 2. What was Bhishma's original name? A. Shantanu. B. Devavrata. C. Parashurama. D. Gangaputra. Right answer B. Devavrata. He earned the name Bhishma after taking the terrible vow of celibacy for his father's happiness. Question 3. Draupadi was born from which element? A. Fire. B. Water. C. Earth. D. Wind. Correct answer A. Fire. She emerged from the sacrificial fire during King Drupada's Yajna. Question 4. What vow made Bhishma immortal in the eyes of the world? A. Silence. B. Celibacy. C. Non-violence. D. Fasting. Correct. B. Celibacy. His sacrifice ensured the throne of Hastinapur would remain stable. Question 5. What game led to the Pandavas losing their kingdom? A. Chess. B. Dice. C. Polo. D. Archery. The answer is B. Dice. A deadly game of deception that changed the course of history. Question 6. What divine weapon did Arjuna receive from Lord Shiva? A. Brahmastra. B. Pashupatastra. C. Sudarshana Chakra. D. Pinaka. Answer B. Pashupatastra. A weapon so powerful it could destroy the universe itself. Question 7. Who was the only warrior to survive from the Kaurava side? A. Duryodhana. B. Ashwathama. C. Karna. D. Drona. Right. B. Ashwathama. Cursed with immortality, he wanders the earth even today, according to legend. Question 8. What was the name of Arjuna's bow? A. Vijay. B. Gandiv. C. Sharanga. D. Pinaka. Answer B. Gandhi. A celestial bow gifted by Agni, symbolizing strength and precision. Question 9. Who killed Dronacharya in the war? A. Bhima. B. Arjuna. C. Drishdyumna. D. Yudhishthira. Correct. C. Drishdyumna. He was born from fire with the purpose of killing Drona. Question 10. Where did the Pandavas go at the end of their lives? A. Kashi. B. Himalayas. C. Kurukshetra. D. Heaven. The answer B. Himalayas. They renounced their kingdom and walked toward the mountains seeking moksha. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and tell us which Mahabharata story fascinates you the most. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because more epic quizzes are coming your way.